the brighter future offered by renewable energy. We have a dream of human energy by respecting the great nature. Innovative technology to the whole world. And Total Solutions Corporation for Renewable Energy. KLEM. KLEM provides not only business consultant of renewable energy, but installing, construction, administrative management, and operation and maintenance called Total Solution Service. We are leading new trend which human and nature coexist by sharing related information about technical cooperation with generating units, manufacturers, and generation companies as business partner. Renewable Energy Business Consultant. For a next-generation growth engine, renewable energy business, we offer the best answer for siting of wind farms and development planning of the site by considering resource analysis, environmental impact investigation, economic analysis, licensing, operations management method analysis. Furthermore, we provide solutions of reasonable planning, construction, owner's engineering for management operation, due diligence, and repowering projects for old wind farm on our proven experiences. Construction for renewable energy project. We offer ordering and safe transport solutions of main parts and installation and construction service fit for purpose. Finally, the best construction system is made by assessment of test operation, operating and maintenance service of renewable energy. We manage generating facilities to maintain the best operating conditions and maximize profitability as the best operation and maintenance corporation in South Korea. As operation and maintenance service, we provide monitoring service, diagnosis and repair, management components, end of warranty service, operating service for offshore wind power. Our operation and maintenance service is provided with excellent equipments based on research and development of diagnosis, renovation, protection, and effectiveness. Crew transfer vessel for offshore wind farm. KLEM has launched the nation's first crew transfer vessels to transport workers and equipments safely and quickly for operating and maintenance of offshore wind farm. KLEM OSV-1, the crew transfer vessel in 21 ton. KLEM OSV-2, the crew transfer vessel in 31 ton. KLEM OSV-3, the daughter craft in 6 ton. They cross all the seas in South Korea to support offshore wind turbines. Precision diagnosis services. Precision diagnosis service is provided to make wind turbine inspection and efficient operation possible. Vibration level inspection, endoscope inspection, lubrication system inspection, and electrical safety inspection are carried out for internal structure, and imaging inspection of blade, tower's surface, and subsea structure inspection are proceeded for external structure. Data analysis compiled with turbine SCADA also suggest efficient operating solutions. In the difficulty of pace setter in renewable energy industry, KLEM history continues to create fresh renewable energy technology through our ceaseless efforts and development for the future.
저희 한국에너지종합기술 주식회사 임직원 일동은 고객을 최우선으로 자연을 배려하는 마음 자세로 분과 함께 대자연을 호흡하며 더 높은 비상을 향하여 여러분의 성실한 파트너가 되겠습니다.
KLEM will show possibility of a leader in the world renewable industry as the nation's only total solution corporation for renewable energy with Proud. The dream of human energy world, which is living in agreement with nature, making life hopeful and worthwhile. Technical innovation for all happiness by leader of renewable energy total solutions. KLEM.